Hello friends, welcome to Financial Comprehension, and today's topic will be about a little bit of different topic I will talk about. And so I'll just clear one thing. So see, this channel is all about debt trap, debt settlement, loan, credit cards and all, but we will talk about today's topic will be little bit about finance as a whole. What is the problem, why people fall into debt trap and all. तो ये चीज़ है. Now before I start this video, I will obviously request you guys to subscribe to this channel and please like and share this video with your friends and family members and anyone you know. So let's start. So see, three things we all have in life which is related to finance, obviously. That is income, then comes expense, then come savings. कई लोग बोलते हैं नहीं, you should income, then you first focus on savings and then you go into expense, but it is not possible because the day you income, your expense starts from the after you get the salary from the first day of the month or the third day of the month, any time, so fifth day, क्योंकि आपका रेंट आ जाता है उसमें starting, you cannot avoid that, other bills, obligations, other financial premiums and so many things, so you cannot do that thing. But yes, savings is like then the miscellaneous expenses, I can say the miscellaneous expenses which comes into, वहाँ से हम लोग थोड़ा सा we can focus into savings from the miscellaneous expenses. Here is a sub part of the expenses, you can say that compulsory expenses and other leisure expenses or miscellaneous expenses, you can say. Now coming to the next topic, that you know that there has been a research has been done where it has been found out that no person is perfect in all the three. So there is someone who can be good in income and expense but not in savings, or somebody who is good in savings but not good in expenses. Now my question, there is research been done, so nobody is perfect in all the three. Okay, people can be good in income, savings, but not good in expenses. Now, not expending money, spending money, not good in, I'm saying that I will reterm this expense as spending so that it become relevant to the topic which I am covering today. See, not spending also not a good habit. आपका life एक ही है, you have one life and you have to spend money, but yes, you cannot overspend. Okay, not overspending, but you know, to spend money, you know, to you have a family, if you have a kid or anything, to take care of your mom, dad, spouse, to around for, you have to pamper yourself also sometimes, or to treat yourself. I'm not saying that don't retreat yourself, you need to focus on that also. So don't be a kind of a very very rigid in spending money. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. And then another thing, now we as a debt trap, now we'll come into that thing. Now I have seen a lot of these YouTube videos where people are saying about side income. Now the side income is something which is very people are now telling that सर आप एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग कर लीजिए, सर आप ऑनलाइन कुछ बिजनेस कर लीजिए, or you do something like any passionate you know about your, like under this direct selling marketing, like this Amway and so called of chain business जो होते हैं. Now see, I'm into this thing, I am not against these kind of ideas, and sometimes I've tried to do these things and it is okay, it is good, but see, the problem with people who are in debt trap is not the income. Income is something, you have a problem in income for the sometime in a temporary way. It's obviously in savings. It is savings problem that we can't save. That's why where there is an extra spending need of extra money, we use the banks lend money like it's a credit card or any personal loan or anything. So it's a problem with savings. Now I'm not against any credit card or loan business. Credit card is also good, they have in other benefits also, but the thing is that too much of credit card is also very bad. Two is okay, but too much of credit card is also very bad. I've been in this debt trap also, but you can be out, but don't use too much of credit cards, or don't be multiple credit cards usage is very bad. I'm against that. I'm against multiple using of credit card. Now I'm coming into this side income thing. You don't need to focus on that. You focus on income and savings, being a debt trap person, and then you focus on your spending. So that is my suggestion. And why I'm saying so, because see, you are already into stress, and अगर हम लोग ऐसे स्ट्रेस में हैं तो वहाँ पे आप, अगर आपका कोई एक जॉब है ना, फोकस ऑन दैट वन थिंग, ठीक है ना. You focus on that one thing. You don't need to, you don't need to focus on multiple things. It's simple to get a job or whatever, doing business or any work, okay. So people, you focus on that one thing, and you focus on your money management and debt. So being a debt trap person, I will say that focus on income. Now sequence will be like, then your savings, and then your expenses. Okay. Now why I'm saying income is like you focus on one income. उसमें थोड़ा सा अगर आपके पास जॉब है, जॉब को अच्छे से ना, you take that, hold that job and be concentrate on that job, that so that you can save that job, or if you can get some increment on that job or anything. So focus on that one job. Savings is obviously you have to cut on expenses and get into savings, but it's side income, all these things if you get into, you cannot focus on one thing. So little bit of today's topic is little bit I'm going out of the way. So इस side income लोग बोलते रहते हैं कि what people, I've seen people कि I have done this affiliate marketing, this side income. आप अगर आपने you are wasting your time by watching movies and Netflix and other videos. My friend, we are not wasting time. We are in debt trap. We are already stressed, and we are focusing on income. Right? We are all focusing on income, and I hope that people in debt trap are all focusing on income and savings. ये कोई नहीं होता, बहुत रेयर लोग होंगे कि जो लोग नहीं करेंगे. But yes, we need some our mind to relax. तो उस बीच में if you're going working for so long, for so hours, focused on business, other income sources, we need time to relax, and you should give that time for yourself. You should give that time for yourself. Otherwise, you will be pissed off. You will be get into depression, and that is very bad. Then आपके जो भी फोकस जो जॉब होगा, इनकम होगा, वो हमेशा आपको पैसा पैसा पैसा, इनकम 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 नहीं सोचना है. Do not think too much about your debt or income, okay, or your no. So I will say, like, do not think too much, do not overthink, okay. Sorry. About income, okay, that is one thing. Income, your debt, your other financial stress, because I know that someone who is in a debt, उसके ऊपर कितना प्रेशर है. I'm 100% sure that he or she is really focusing on one thing. लेकिन आज के टाइम में देखता बहुत लोग मतलब there are so many people who's coming into and giving a so called a lecture or a ज्ञान or some kind of giving their point of views and everything in life. And that is thing is that I feel that the people on this world, or I think this country, they're very smart enough. You as a YouTuber coming here and giving some, just for benefit of yourself, you're giving some tips on affiliate marketing. Get this course done, I will help you in digital marketing courses. You see this YouTuber called Sandeep Maheshwari. He's a good inspirational motivator speaker, and he says that these are all waste of money, wastage of time, wastage of money. You don't do this. You focus on one business, one income, one job, one salary, what you do, what you're good at. If you're an engineer, focus on your IT skills. If you're any marketing guy, on your finance background से आप, तो आप अपने जो जॉब स्किल्स, जो अगर इफ यू गुड आप कोई बिजनेस करते हो, जो बिजनेस को फोकस कीजिए, ठीक है ना, आसपास के आपको कोई स्किल सेट हो. लेकिन ये सब ना बहुत सारे आज के टाइम पे ना लोग आ गए, एंड दे फील्स यू दैट आप कुछ नहीं कर रहे, एंड दे मेक यू फील दैट यू आर नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग. ठीक है, so that is very bad, that is very bad. And I don't feel that any of my viewers or any of my people who are in distress, it is not like they are wasting time or they are not serious about money, they are not serious about life. हो जाता है कभी कभी गलती, and it's okay, and we learn from those mistakes, but don't overstress yourself. And watching movie is not wastage of time. Yes, too much of watching movies ठीक है, लेकिन अगर आप कोई जॉब कर रहे हो ऑलरेडी, आपके 7-8 घंटा 10 घंटा 12 घंटे उस जॉब के पीछे जा रहे हैं. वी ऑल नो दैट आजकल वर्क फ्रॉम होम में काफ़ी सारे प्रेशर, सैलरी तो नहीं उतने हो रहे, लेकिन वर्क प्रेशर बहुत है. ठीक है ना. सो यू आर नॉट गेटिंग योर पेमेंट फुल्ली, बट यू स्टिल हैव डेडलाइंस, यू स्टिल हैव अदर स्ट्रेस जॉब्स. उसके बाद इफ़ यू डोंट हैव ए इनकम, then you sometimes feel like, okay, I need some money, I should think about some extra income and all. You then start investing your give your time in the weekends also, your relaxing time after office, or 1 or 2 hours, or your weekends time, by sacrificing not spending time with the family members and focusing on those extra job things or extra meetings. You get into other affiliate marketing things and ब्ला 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 थिंग्स, साइड इनकम, ऑनलाइन बिजनेस एंड ऑल, जिसमें आपको फिर रिस्पॉन्स भी उतना ज़्यादा नहीं आता है, लेकिन वो लगे रहते हैं. आपको चाहे तो फ्रीलांसिंग जॉब्स, नॉट रिक्वायर्ड मैन, नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. इफ़ यू हैव अ इनकम, फोकस ऑन दिस वन इनकम एंड यू फोकस ऑन योर सेविंग्स. ट्राई टू टेक अ बजट. अभी बोलते हैं ना कि आप सेविंग्स कम कीजिए, इनकम आप सेविंग्स, आप इनकम पर इनकम, कोई नहीं. डोंट टेक स्ट्रेस, मेक अ प्लान, मेक अ फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग, मेक अ मनी मैनेजमेंट प्लान कि यस दिस इज़ माई इनकम, दिस इज माई एक्सपेंस. इफ़ अ डेट स्ट्रेस, बैंक को बोल दीजिए कि आई डोंट हैव द मनी, आई एम ट्राइंग माई बेस्ट. गो फॉर अ डेट मैनेजमेंट प्लान और सेटलमेंट थिंग, हैव अ बजट प्लान एंड live your life. So friends, don't take your stress, enjoy, relax, be safe, and I'm ending this video today. I hope that I have made my point that what I tried to say, because I've seen lot of people are now making these online videos like side income कीजिए. अगर आप अपने टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे, ऑल कर रहे, ठीक है ना, nobody is wasting time. अगर किसी को वेस्ट करना होगा ना तो ऐसे ही करेगा, उसको he doesn't need, he or she doesn't need any, he will not get motivated. और जिसको नहीं करना है, he is working hard or she is working hard. If he's lost a job or cannot get business, I think that person who is in distress due to job loss and all, I think that person has a skill. Maybe for some reason in this coronavirus, in this economic crash, market crash, he or she has lost his job, but I think he or she is already working hard to get out of this, because he or she knows more than that online YouTuber, like including me, that what stress he is going into or she is going into. मुझे बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है उसको, बट हाँ अगर वो 1 घंटे के लिए 2 घंटे के लिए रिलैक्सिंग टाइम कर, भाई रिलैक्सिंग टाइम में आप जॉब कीजिए. क्यों? why the hell this person on this world they will work on relaxing time? Then what is the difference between relaxing time and job time? After 8 to 10 hours of working for so long, why this person will now have a relaxing time with his family, or he is spending some time by watching a movie? तो क्यों वो करेंगे ऐसे? लाइफ है, ठीक है, एक चीज़ में नहीं फोकस करना है, एक ही चीज़ नहीं करना. इनकम इनकम इनकम, डेट 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 डेट, भाई क्या होगा क्या होगा, इनकम नहीं हो रहा है, जितना हो रहा है उससे खुश रहो, उसी से मैनेज करना है हमें, ठीक है, उसी से ही मैनेज करना है। इतना अलग नहीं जाना है कि हाँ वी नीड टू डू दिस, वो जाना है, ये जाना है, बट फैमिली को छोड़ के एकदम मतलब अपना लाइफ के कोई भी सब कुछ भूल भाल के, नो, आफ्टर फॉरगेटिंग एवरीथिंग एंड आप नो यू स्टार्ट डूइंग समथिंग एनी एक्स्ट्रा, नॉट गिविंग टाइम टू फैमिली। काफ़ी सारे लोग बोलते हैं आप ये कीजिए, वो कीजिए, कुछ उबर चलाइए, वो चलाइए, नहीं होता है भाई, नहीं होता है, नहीं होता है। बट कई लोग बोलेंगे कि हाँ आप डिस्ट्रेस में आपको फोकस करना है, वो करना है, कर रहे, जो इनकम कर रहे हैं ना उसी से हम लोग मैनेज कर रहे हैं, उसी से हम लोग अपने सेविंग्स करेंगे, उसी से हम लोग अपना बजट कट करेंगे और मैनेज करेंगे। लेकिन अपने आप को ओवर स्ट्रेस नहीं करेंगे, ओवर टाइम नहीं करेंगे जहाँ पे फैमिली भी हमें नहीं, नो आई एम नॉट गेटिंग नॉट टाइम टू गिव टाइम टू अवर फैमिली ऑल्सो। ऐसे नहीं करना है, अपने लिए भी टाइम नहीं है, ठीक है। सो समथिंग इज यू एंजॉइंग इट इज़ ओके, बट डोंट डू एनीथिंग ऑन बाय गेटिंग सो मच ज्ञान। सो आज के टाइम पे बहुत सारे ऑनलाइन यूट्यूबर्स आ चुके हैं, आई एम नॉट अगेंस्ट देम, बट दोस्तों से ना कि आप आपके जो रिलैक्स के टाइम पे जो होता है, आई एम अगेंस्ट दैट स्टेटमेंट। रिलैक्सिंग के टाइम, अगर रिलैक्सिंग फिर वर्ड नहीं होता, अगर रिलैक्सिंग के टाइम पे भी अगर बोलते हैं जॉब करना है तो फिर रिलैक्सिंग टाइम कुछ है ही नहीं, देयर इज नो टाइम कॉल्ड रिलैक्सिंग, ऐसा होता नहीं है। ओके, सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो एंड एंजॉय।